Is it the screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
In the previous lecture, we've seen that in one example, okay, and some homework. Okay, have you solved it? काढता लिखा रूट्स तुम्हालाच विचारतोय काढलं का सायपी 1/4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so psi is equal to c1 mod of x raised to 2i plus c2 into mod of x raised to minus 2i plus 1/4 by combining a and b part. Okay, and the next point is regular second order equation with regular singular point. Look at it. Second order, okay, second order equations, second order equations with regular singular point, regular okay. Now look at here, what is the second order equation with regular singular point? A second order equation with regular singular point at x naught has of the form L of y is equal to x minus x naught. Okay, look at here. The second order equation with regular singular point, regular singular point, okay, at x naught has the form has the form L of y is equal to x minus x naught bracket square into y double dash plus x minus x naught bracket raised to 1 into a1 of x. Okay, a1 is now analytic function, not a coefficient here, into y dash plus b of x into y is equal to 0. It is an equation number 1. Okay, so the second order equation with regular singular point at x naught has of the form L of y is equal to x minus x naught bracket square into y double dash plus x minus x naught into a1 of x. Okay, or a of x. a1 of x take a of x. Okay, a of x is equal into y dash plus b of x into y is equal to 0. Give it as an equation number 1, where a of x and b of x are analytic at x naught, are analytic function at x naught. Okay, thus a and b have, if a of x and b of x are analytic function, then we can write the function a of x and b of x are in the form of power series. Okay, thus a and b have the power series expansion, power series expansion. Okay, and it is given by a of x is equal to summation k, k running from 0 to infinity, alpha k into x minus x naught. Okay, the a of x is the analytic at x naught, so center is our x naught. So x minus x naught bracket raised to k, and the b of x we can write in the form of power series expansion summation k is equal to 0 to infinity beta k into x minus x naught bracket raised to k. Okay, and these two series a of x and b of x is convergent, which is convergent, which is convergent on same interval mod of x minus x naught is less than R naught. Okay, where R naught is greater than 0. Okay, positive number, distance. Okay, what is the mean of convergence? Which two series have the finite value? Okay, so what is for what values of x? X minus x naught, mod of x minus x naught is less than R naught. म्हणजे काय? आज समजा तुमचा इकडे x naught. ओके, x naught प्लस r कुठे येईल? इकडे येईल कुठे. x naught मायनस r कुठे येईल? इथे येईल. म्हणजे या प्रत्येक व्हॅल्यूला एक्सच्या प्रत्येक त्या इंटरव्हलच्या ओके ही सिरीज काय होते? कन्वर्जंट होते. ओके, सेंटर काय तुमचं इथे? x naught. Okay, where r is the any positive number. Okay, for any values of x, this series is convergent. Okay, what is the meaning of convergent? These two series have the finite values. Okay, now we shall be interested in finding the solution of equation 1. We have to find the solution. या differential equation चे आपल्याला काय करायचे? Solution phi1 and phi2. But we know that if a of x and b of x are two analytic functions, so we can write in the form of power series expansion. Then the solution of that then the solution of that differential equation also have the power series expansion. Okay, in the previous chapter we seen that if a of x and b of x are analytic function, then the solution of the differential equation is also has a power series expansion. Okay, so which is convergent on the same interval mod of x minus x naught is less than r naught. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ काय? हा तुमचा x कसा पाहिजे? r naught plus x in between r naught minus x असंच होईल ना? x minus r naught. ओके, आणि इथं काय एवढा? x plus r naught. ओके, mod of x is less than a याचा अर्थ काय? x is in between minus a and plus a. Okay, mod of x minus x naught is less than r म्हणजे काय होईल तुमचा? Minus r less than x minus x naught less than r. So what we get then? R naught minus x naught minus r less than x less than r plus x naught. Okay, so which is convergent on the same interval mod of x minus x naught is less than r naught, where r naught is greater than 0. Now we shall interested in finding the solution of 1. Okay, near x naught. Okay, now suppose the point x naught is 0. Okay, therefore the equation 1 becomes what we get? Then equation 1 becomes x square into y double dash plus a of x into capital X, small x into y dash plus b of x into y is equal to 0. Okay, if we put x naught is equal to 0, where a of x and b of x are analytic at x naught is equal to 0. Hence, it has the power series expansion at x naught. Okay, so we can write a of x is in the form of power series summation k is equal to 0 to infinity. Okay, so is alpha k into x minus x naught bracket raised to k. Now put x naught is equal to 0, so here we get x raised to k, and b of x is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to infinity beta k into x raised to k. Okay, so which is convergent if both the series is convergent, which are convergent in interval mod x minus x naught. X naught value is 0 equal. So mod x less than r naught, and r naught is any positive number. Okay. Any doubt up to here? Okay. Any doubt up to here? काही doubts आहेत का इथपर्यंत?
No, sir.
So the Euler's equation. Euler's equation मध्ये काय होतं तिथं x square y double dash plus ax y dash plus b is equal to 0. इथे a of x आणि b of x काय तिथे analytic function आहे. Okay, so Euler's equation is the particular case of equation 2. This equation. Give it as an equation number 2. Okay, if we put a of x is equal to a, only constant, the function analytic function is put a of x is equal to a, only constant, and b of x is equal to b. So Euler's equation is the particular case of equation 2. Okay, so look at the second order, the second order equation with regular singular point, regular singular point as a power series solution. Okay, a second order equation with regular singular point as a power series solution. म्हणजे ज्या इक्वेशनचे सोल्युशन हे काय असतील phi1 and phi2 हे एनालिटिक असतील आणि त्याचे सोल्युशन कसे असतील power series solution. Okay, so if the function a of x and b of x have the power series expansion on some interval mod x less than r naught, then the power solution converges on mod x less than r naught. Okay, जर a of x आणि b of x तुमचे जर एनालिटिक फंक्शन असतील तर ते पॉवर सिरीज एक्सपान्शन मध्ये आपल्याला एक्सप्रेस करता येईल. तर a of x आणि b of x तुमचे जर पॉवर सिरीज एक्सपान्शन मध्ये तुम्हाला जर एक्सप्रेस करता येत असेल तर त्याचे सोल्युशन कसे असतात, तर डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनचे सोल्युशन पण पॉवर सिरीज एक्सपान्शन मध्ये असणार. ओके, सो इफ the function a of x and b of x have power series expansion on some interval mod x less than r naught, then the power solution, okay, then solution, power solution, that means phi1 and phi2 also converges on mod x less than r naught, that same interval. Okay, so one note is there at the note. Okay, the Euler's equation. Euler's equation is a particular case of equation number 2 with a and b are constant. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
So next point is one theorem is there, the proof is not required for us. Okay, only statement is there. Okay, now using that theorem we have to solve the some examples. Okay, तुम्हाला example म्हणजे theorem आहे त्याचा proof नाहीये तुम्हाला. Look at the statement of the theorem. Consider the equation. L of y is equal to x square y double dash plus a of x into y dash plus b of x into y is equal to 0, where a and b, okay, where a and b have convergent power series expansion. Okay, not constant. Okay, a of x and b of x. That means a of x and b of x has convergent power series expansion. That's convergent power series expansion for mod x less than r naught, and that r naught greater than 0. Okay, any positive number r naught. Let r1 and r2. Okay, let r1 and r2 such that the real part of r1, I don't know whether the r1 is complex or real. Okay, so if the real part of r1 is greater equal by real part of r2 in the bracket. Okay, let r1 and r2 be the roots of identical equation or characteristic equation. Roots of not identical, initial polynomial or characteristic polynomial, rather. Characteristic polynomial q of r is equal to r into r minus 1 plus a of 0 into r plus b of 0. Okay, so characteristic equation of this differential equation is given by like this: q of r is equal to r into r minus 1 plus a at point 0. Okay, function value at point 0, b of x at 0, that is b of 0. Okay, so characteristic polynomial is given by q of r is equal to r into r minus 1 plus a of 0 into r plus b of 0. Okay, suppose that r1 and r2 are the roots of this characteristic polynomial, where real part of r1 is greater than or equal to real part of r2. Okay, for mod x less than r naught, there is solution phi. There is solution phi of the form. Okay, या L of y चे solution phi कोणते कसे असतील of the form phi1 of x is equal to mod x bracket raised to r1 into summation running from k is equal to 0 to infinity. Okay, ck, okay, constant ck into x raised to k, where the value of c naught is equal to 1. Okay, and if r1 minus r2 is not equal to 0 and r1 minus r2 is not a positive integer. Okay, r1 minus r2 is not a positive integer. याचा अर्थ काय? पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजर नाहीये तो, म्हणजे तो काय फ्रॅक्शनल असू शकेल, 1/4, 1/5, कोणाची व्हॅल्यू r1 minus r2. Okay, r1 minus r2 is not equal to 0. याचा अर्थ काय? r1 is not equal to r2. That means r1 and r2 are the two distinct solutions of this characteristic polynomial, and r1 minus r2 is not a positive integer. The difference between them is not a integer, positive integer. Okay, example घेताना कळलं is not a positive integer, there is a solution. There is a second solution. हा झाला तुमचा phi 1 ह्या फॉर्म मध्ये सर. There is a second solution phi 2 for mod x less than r naught of the form phi 2 of x is equal to mod x raised to r2 summation k running from 0 to infinity c dash of k, okay, into x raised to k, okay, where the value of c dash of 1 c naught, value of c naught, okay, c dash naught is equal to 1, where the series, this series converges for mod x less than r naught and r naught is greater than 0. So this is the theorem. Look at it. If consider the equation L of y is equal to x square into y double dash plus a of x into y dash plus b of x into y is equal to 0, where a of x and b of x are the convergent power series expansion. For this one, mod of x is less than r naught and r naught is greater than 0. Okay, then let the r1 and r2 be the two roots of the characteristic equation, characteristic polynomial. Okay, the characteristic polynomial is also called as not identical, but sorry for the this one. This is the indicial identical polynomial. Okay, indicial polynomial. Hello, दूसरा नाम क्या है? Indicial polynomial. Like r1 and r2 be the two roots of that characteristic polynomial. Q of r is equal to r into r minus 1 plus a naught a of 0 into r plus b naught b of 0. Okay, for mod x less than r naught. Then the phi 1 of x is given by mod of x raised to r1 into this summation, this series, where the value of c naught is 1. If r1 minus r2 is not equal to 0, what is the meaning of this sentence? R1 is not equal to r2. Okay, two roots are distinct roots, and r1 minus r2 is not a positive integer. Also, if suppose this condition satisfies, r1 minus r2 is not a positive integer, then the solution is given by this one. Phi 2 of x is equal to mod x bracket raised to r2 into summation of k running from 0 to infinity c dash k into c x raised to k. Okay, well, the value of c dash naught is 1. Okay, so this is the theorem. And note that if r1 minus r2 is either 0 or positive integer, so we shall say that we have an exceptional case. Okay, समजा इथे समजा r1 minus r2 equal to 0 आला किंवा पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजर आला तर ते एक्सेप्शनल केस असेल. ओके, मग या मेथडने आपल्याला ते एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करता येणार नाही. ओके, नोट here, write down. If r1 minus r2 is either 0 or positive integer, okay, so we shall say that we have an exceptional case. Okay, एकदा एक्झाम्पल घेतल्यानंतर कळेल व्यवस्थित. क्वेश्चन फाइंड, नीट लक्ष द्या, एक क्वेश्चन जवळपास 4 पानाचा क्वेश्चन आहे, 4 ते 5 पानाचा एवढा मोठा क्वेश्चन आहे आन्सर. सो कॅल्क्युलेशन करताना नीट लक्ष द्या आणि माझं इकडे काही का पहा. ओके, फाइंड द सोल्युशन ऑफ द फॉर्म, फाइंड द सोल्युशन ऑफ द फॉर्म phi1 of x is equal to x raised to r into summation of a running from 0 to infinity. Okay, ck into x raised to k of the following differential equation. The following differential equations for x greater than 0. x greater than 0 आहे म्हणजे याचा काहीतरी पुढे जाऊन उपयोग होईल तुम्हाला. ओके, नाउ फाइंड द सोल्युशन ऑफ द फॉर्म. आपल्याला डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनचे सोल्युशन काढायचे. कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये? phi1 of x or phi of x या फॉर्म मध्ये त्याची सोल्युशन येते, जे आपण इथे थिअरम मध्ये पाहिले. ओके, का x इथे x का घेतलंय? इथे मॉड x आहे ना, कळलं का? कारण की कंडिशन काय दिली तुम्हाला? x greater than 0. ओके, म्हणून इथे x raised to r घेतलं. ओके, look at first one. 2x square into y double dash plus x square minus x into y dash plus y is equal to 0. Okay, solution. Two x square into y double dash plus x square minus x into y dash plus y is equal to 0. Give it as an equation number 1. Okay, so L of y is equal to, we can write in the form of this one, 2 L of y in the standard form. कसं लिहू शकतो आपण? Writing the given differential equation 1 in the standard form. Okay, so x square y double dash plus a of x into y dash plus b of x into y is equal to 0. Okay, write the given differential equation in the standard form. So we get x square into y double dash plus x into x minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, into y dash plus what is b of x divided by 1 by 2, dividing whole the equation by 1 by 2, dividing by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now this is the standard form of the given differential equation. This one x hai na. Okay, so what is the a of x now? Here a of x is equal to x minus 1 divided by 2. हाच येईल फक्त. ओके, हा तुमचा a of x आहे, x सोडल्यानंतर. And what is the b of x? 1 by फक्त मी सोडतो ते करेक्ट आहे का बघा, आणि जर चुकत असेल तर मला पटकन तेव्हाच सांगा. हा, what is the a of 0? minus 1 by 2. b of 0 is 1 by 2. Okay, so initial equation or characteristic equation. Initial equation of 1 is given by q of r is equal to r into r minus 1 plus a of 0 into r plus b of 0. We have the r square minus r. What is the a of 0 is minus 1 by 2 into r plus 1 by 2. Okay, which is equal to हे equal to 0 केल्यानंतर रूप से दिल ना आपल्याला q of 0 r. So this is r square minus r by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So r square minus 3 by 2 into r plus 1 by 2, okay, is equal to 0. So what is the value of r is? Tell me the roots of this one. दोघांचा प्रोडक्ट आहे 1 by 2. दोघांची एडिशन किती येते? minus 3 by 2. Okay, so we get which is equal to r minus 1 by 2. Okay, तो जर मायनस असेल तर दोन्ही रूट्स मायनस असतात. r minus 1 is equal to 0. So that implies r is equal to 1, r1 is equal to 1. Okay, and r2 is equal to काही म्हणा त्या दोघांना, ह्याला r1 म्हणा किंवा ह्याला r1 म्हणा. r1 is equal to r2 is equal to 1 by 2. So here look at here, we get the two real roots, so that here real part of r1 is greater than real part of r2. Okay, real part किती येतं 1 आहे, real part कोणा येतं 1 by 2 चा 1 by 2. So real part of 1 is greater than real part of 2, and r1 minus r2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, which is non-negative. That is काय म्हटलं थिअरम मध्ये, पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजर ना. Look at here, this r1 minus r2, look at here, r1 minus r2 is not a positive integer. Okay, so hence condition satisfied. Okay, so which is r1 minus r2, which is not positive integer. Okay, hence the given differential equation has two solutions in the form. कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये असतील ते दिलेले आहे आता थिअरम मध्ये पाहिल्यानुसार. phi of x is equal to x raised to r summation k running from 0 to, the mod का घेतला नाही कारण की x हा always greater than 0 तुम्हाला दिलेला आहे. Okay, into ck into x raised to k. Okay, so this equation we can write in this form, summation k running from 0 to infinity ck into x raised to k plus r. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, look at it. As phi of x is equal to summation, okay, k running from 0 to infinity ck into x raised to k plus r is solution when, हा तुमचा सोल्युशन आहे या फॉर्म मध्ये. हा सोल्युशन कधी होईल, जेव्हा हा तुमचा phi of x काय सॅटिस्फाय करेल, L of y. Okay, when it satisfies equation number 1. Okay, solution आहे म्हणजे तो इक्वेशन 1 सॅटिस्फाय करायला पाहिजे. Okay, that's why we can write 2x square into phi double dash plus x square minus x into phi dash plus phi is equal to 0. Okay, wait a minute, equation number 3 दिला. wait a minute, दोन कशाला दिले, कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन, ह्याला दोन इक्वेशन दिले, कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशनला नंबर 2. Okay, so this is the equation number 3. Okay, if the phi is the solution of given differential equation, then phi satisfies the given differential equation, this one. Now look at here, what is the phi of x? Summation k running from 0 to infinity ck into x raised to k plus r. Okay, now differentiate this equation. So what we get with respect to x, phi dash of x is equal to summation k running from 0 to infinity k plus r into ck into x raised to k plus r minus 1. Okay, now again differentiation. Phi double dash of x is equal to summation k running from 0 to infinity, okay, k plus r into k plus r minus 1 into ck into x raised to k plus r minus 2. Okay, now putting the values of phi of x, phi dash of x, phi double dash of x in equation number 3, this one. Okay, so we get, so equation 3 becomes आपल्याला काय फाइंड करायचे phi1 आणि phi2 in terms of power series expansion मध्ये आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे फाइंड करायचं so 2x square into summation the value of phi double dash is k is equal to 0 to infinity k plus r minus 1 into k plus r into ck into x raised to k plus r minus 2 plus x square minus x into summation k running from 0 to infinity. What is the value of phi dash? K plus r into ck into x raised to k plus r minus 1 plus what is the value of phi? K is equal to 0 to infinity ck into x raised to k plus r is equal to 0. Okay, up to here, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Wait a minute. Now multiply this whole term in the bracket. Okay, x square minus x. So this implies first term as it is. Summation. Okay, this x square into x raised to k plus r minus 2. Look at here. K running from 0 to infinity summation. Okay, 2 into k plus r minus 1. K plus r into ck into x raised to k plus r. Okay, this x square and this x raised to minus 2 get cancelled. Okay, so here we have x raised to k plus r plus आता या x स्क्वेअरने ह्याला मल्टिप्लाय करा काय येईल समेशन k रनिंग फ्रॉम 0 टू इन्फिनिटी k plus r into ck into x raised to k plus हा x स्क्वेअर आणि हा माइनस 1 क्या होईल k plus r plus 1. ओके, माइनस साइन आता हा माइनस इथे आला समेशन k running from 0 to infinity k plus r into ck into x raised to हा x आणि हा x raised to k plus r minus 1 काय होईल x raised to k plus r हा प्लस हा टर्म आहे तसाच समेशन k running from 0 to infinity ck into x raised to k plus r is equal to 0. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
हाँ ह्या फक्त ब्रॅकेटने मल्टिप्लाय केला आपण. Okay, now replacing k by k minus 1 in this second summation. कुठे सेकंड समेशन इथे. ओके, या समेशन मध्ये काय करायचंय रिप्लेसिंग k by k minus 1. ओके, replacing k by k minus 1 in second summation. ओके, तर मग k by k minus 1 केल्यानंतर काय होईल हा तुमचा k कुठून रनिंग होईल 1 पासून रनिंग होईल. ओके, k minus 1 is equal to 0 येईल इथे मग हा k काय होईल तुमच्या इथे 1 येईल. ओके, k plus 1 काय होईल जर k minus 1 ने रिप्लेस केला तर k plus 1 कशाने रिप्लेस करावे लागेल k ने ना मग हा k plus 1 चा काय होईल k होईल. ओके, नीट लक्ष द्या. ओके, so we get, look at it, that implies आता x to k plus r x to k plus r x to k plus r take this common. या तीन मिळून काय करायचे कॉमन करायचे x to k plus r. Now we have summation k running from 0 to infinity. Okay, इथे 0 to infinity आहे इथे ही 0 to infinity आहे आणि इथे ही 0 to infinity आहे त्यामुळे काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही ना. इथे कोएफिशिएंट काय राहील मग 2 into. ओके, ck पण कॉमन येईल ना, सी के इंटू एक्स एस टू के प्लस आर, सी के इंटू एक्स एस टू के प्लस आर, सी के इंटू एक्स एस टू के प्लस आर हा कॉमन आहे. हा तुमचा हा ब्रॅकेटमध्ये काय येईल आता, 2 इंटू के प्लस आर मायनस 1 इंटू के प्लस आर. ओके, हा मायनस के प्लस आर हा ब्रॅकेट आला. ओके, आणि इथनं काय येईल, प्लस 1 into bracket ck into x raised to k plus r. ओके, आणि हा प्लस सेकंड समेशन हा जो आहे हा काय होईल, समेशन कुठून रन होईल, k रनिंग फ्रॉम 1 to infinity. ओके, रिप्लेसिंग k by k minus 1. ओके, आणि हा k k कशाने हे केलाय, k minus 1 ने केलाय. मग इथे काय येईल, k plus r minus 1. ओके, k plus r minus 1 इंटू के बाय के मायनस 1. मग इथे किती येईल, सी के मायनस 1. आणि हा काय होईल, एक्स रेस टू के प्लस आर. एक्स रेस टू के प्लस आर इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, एनी डाऊट, इथून काय डाऊट आहे.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
आता पुट के इज इक्वल टू 0 आणि हा समेशन 1 पासून रन करा. पहिला सी नॉट ची व्हॅल्यू येईल इथे. ओके, हा समेशन रन करा. Now put k is equal to 0 here. So what we get, that implies 2 into, okay, 0 plus r minus 1. So इथे किती येईल, r minus 1. ओके, हा ब्रॅकेट काय येईल, into r. ओके, minus k plus 0, 0 plus r is r. ओके, आणि हा प्लस 1 ला प्लस 1 असंच आहे, into c naught into x raised to r. ओके, प्लस पुढचा जो समेशन येईल हा एक टर्म झाला. मग ह्याच्या पुढचा टर्म काय होईल, समेशन के रनिंग फ्रॉम 1 टू इन्फिनिटी येईल. ओके, मग तो 1 टू इन्फिनिटी कॉमन काढला मी ह्याच्यातून आणि ह्याच्यातून. सो के रनिंग फ्रॉम 1 टू इन्फिनिटी वी गेट इन द ब्रॅकेट, ओके, 2 इंटू दिस इज के प्लस आर मायनस 1, के प्लस आर मायनस 1 इंटू के प्लस आर. ओके, हा आला तुमचा. Wait a minute. क्या आला, we have 2k plus r minus 1 k plus r. k plus r minus 1 कसा होईल, ओके, वेट चुकलं जरा, लिहायचं हा तुमचा 0चा टर्म झाला. ओके, समेशन प्लस समेशन के रनिंग फ्रॉम 1 टू इन्फिनिटी. ओके, 0 होता, आता 0 टर्म लिहिला आहे आपण, इथे 1 येईल. मग तो काय येईल, ब्रॅकेट के प्लस आर आधी लिहूयात, के प्लस आर मायनस 1 मायनस के प्लस आर प्लस 1. ओके, इंटू सी के रेज टू एक्स रेज टू के प्लस आर हा प्लस summation k running from 1 to infinity the bracket plus r minus 1 into ck minus 1 into x raised to k plus r. Okay, is equal to 0. Okay, इथून काय डाऊट.
No, sir.
ओके, आता इथेच थोडं गोळ झालं, ज्यात कॉमन काय येईल, x raised to r minus 1. हा झिरो कधी होईल म्हटलंय त्यांनी, तर प्रत्येकाचा कोएफिशियंट झिरो असेल. वेट एकच मिनिट वाट बघा. करेक्ट. ह्याच्यातनं काय कॉमन काढायचं आहे, एक्स प्लस टू के प्लस आर. ओके, look at it. Now this bracket as it is 2 into r minus 1 into r minus r plus 1. Okay, into c naught into x raised to r plus, okay, summation running from k is equal to 1 to infinity. या ब्रॅकेट मध्ये राहिला काय, 2 into k plus r, k plus r minus 1 minus k plus r, हा ब्रॅकेट मध्ये घ्या बघ, मायनस 1 इथे मायनस मायनस हा तुमचा प्लस होईल. ओके, के प्लस आर मायनस 1 इंटू, ओके, ह्याच्यात एक्स रेस टू के कॉमन का बाहेर काढलाय मी, एक्स रेस टू के प्लस आर कॉमन. ओके, इंटू हा ह्याला ब्रॅकेटला काय येईल, या ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाइड बाय सी के. ओके, इंटू प्लस k plus r minus 1 into ck minus 1. Okay, high bracket, okay, is equal to 0. काय कॉमन काढलं कळालं, taking common x raised to k plus r in these two brackets. So what will remain, 2 into k plus r into k plus r minus 1 into k plus r minus 1. Okay, in the one bracket into ck and plus k plus r minus 1 into ck minus 1 here as it is. Okay, now any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Ata, the above equation is true. This equation true if and only if the coefficients of x raised to r, x raised to k plus r are 0. Why? Because the value of x is greater than 0. So what is the possibility? Either it will be 0 or it will be 0. Okay. एक तर तुमचा काय पाहिजे, हा ब्रॅकेट आलेला ब्रॅकेट हा तरी 0 असायला हवा, किंवा हा टर्म तुमचा 0 असायला हवा. ओके, हे दोन कोएफिशिएंट जर 0 असतील तरच पॉसिबल आहे. वाय? बिकॉज x इज ऑलवेज पॉझिटिव्ह. ओके, सो अबव इक्वेशन is true only if the coefficient of x raised to k plus r are 0. Okay, for k is equal to 0, 1 up to so on. Okay, so that is what is the first coefficient? 2 into r minus 1 minus r plus 1. Okay, into c naught is equal to 0. Okay, that is 2r square minus 2r, this is minus r plus 1. Okay, into this c naught is equal to 0. Okay, so that implies what is the value of r? Possible value of r is 2r minus 1 and r minus 1. Okay, याच्यातनं 2r कॉमन काढा, काय येईल मग, 2r minus 1 येईल. ओके, यातनं minus 1 कॉमन काढल्यानंतर काय येईल, r minus 1. So into c naught is equal to 0. Okay, but c naught is not equal to 0. Why? Because in the theorem given that c naught is equal to 1. Okay, then what are the possible of r values? R is equal to 1 and 1 by 2. Okay, ओके, हेच व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला कुठे आले होते, इनिशियल इक्वेशन कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन मध्ये, r is equal to 1 and 1/2 and look at here 2 into this coefficient, 2 into k plus r into k plus r minus 1 minus k plus r minus 1 into ck plus k plus r minus 1 into ck minus 1, this coefficient 0. 2 into, look at here, k plus r into k plus r minus 1 minus k plus r minus 1 into ck, okay, plus k plus r minus 1 into ck minus 1, this coefficient 0. Okay, so now taking k plus r minus 1 common, k plus r minus 1, so in the bracket 2 into k plus r into minus 1 in the bracket ck plus ck minus 1, okay, is equal to 0. आता तुमचं 0 होणार नाही, मग हा काय होईल, तरी झालं तरी काय होईल, हा तिकडे पाठवा राईट हँड साइड. ओके, सो व्हॉट इट इम्प्लाइज 2 into k plus r minus 1 into this ck plus ck minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is the value of ck now? Ck is equal to minus ck minus 1 divided by 2 into k plus r minus 1. Okay, for k नहीं 2 नहीं है, minus 1 okay, for k running from 1 2 3 not 0 बरं का, c not ची व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला आधीच दिलेली आहे त्यांनी. Okay, so this is the reconciliation. Now case number 1. Okay, now case 1 and case 2, the remaining part we will see in the next lecture. Okay, त्याच्यानंतर मला c1 c2 c3 ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आणि त्याच्यावरून मला जनरलायझेशन करावं लागेल. Okay, the remaining part we will see in the next lecture. Okay, up to here any doubt, काही डाउट्स आहेत का?
No, sir.
एवढं लक्षात ठेवा, त्याच्या पुढचा पार्ट आपण हा रिकन्सिलिएशन आलेला आहे. ओके, रिकन्सिलिएशन म्हणजे काय, मागच्या व्हॅल्यूज घेऊन आपल्याला पुढच्या व्हॅल्यूज काढता येईल, ck मायनस 1 ची व्हॅल्यू घेऊन k च्या ck च्या व्हॅल्यू घेऊन काढता येईल. ओके, मग केस 1 आणि केस 2 आपण वर बघूयात. इन जनरलायझेशन करून ck काय येईल ते ck ची व्हॅल्यू मला कुठं कुठं करावं लागेल, phi of x मध्ये. इथे या phi of x मध्ये जर मी पुट केला तर मला काय मिळेल, पॉवर सिरीज एक्सपान्शन. ओके, वेट अ मिनिट, टाकिंग दिस. Only 28 students are present. Okay, you can leave now. Thank you for the attendance.